Okay, this is entitled LSC. I don't know the chorus, but I will try the intro. And that's my daughter Mika. Her name is Mika Angela. She looks very familiar. So, this is the song. Pag automatic na ang luha,